Hey guys, today I'm making Tuscan spaghetti with scallops. The combination of flavors in this recipe are so good between the sun-dried tomatoes, the garlic, and the white wine butter sauce. When they all come together, it's just like it's giving your stomach like a nice big hug. So let's get started. So the first step is to get the spaghetti cooking. What I've done is I put the water on. We want to get it to a boil. The next thing I'm going to do is put a little olive oil in, just a little bit, maybe a tablespoon. One very important step that I feel like a lot of people don't do, and including myself up to about a year ago, is to really salt the water. I like to get the water in my pasta salted really heavy, and for some reason, and I don't exactly know why, it makes the pasta taste better. Let's just put a lot of salt into this water. The next thing I'm gonna do is measure out the perfect serving size of pasta. And the way that I do that is I use a quarter, and this is kind of a rough thing, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but I measure a quarter up to my pasta, and if it's close, that's basically one serving. The next thing we're gonna do is chop the onion and the garlic. With our pasta started behind me, the next thing we're gonna do is work on our scallops. This is just a little salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of each. So let's add a little bit of oil. This is about 1 tablespoon. We're also going to add half of our butter, so 2 tablespoons. It's really important that you get the pan to medium-high heat, because when you add the scallops, you want them to sear on the outside to create a nice crispy layer. So the scallops are looking good, so let me take them off. Next thing we're gonna do is add 1 more tablespoon of butter. Now we're gonna add the onion. We wanna cook the onion just till it's about softened. Now that the onion is softened, we're gonna add the garlic. Next thing we're gonna do is deglaze with our white wine. We're gonna let this cook down about halfway. Next thing we're gonna do is put in our chicken broth, and we're gonna bring it to a simmer. Now that it's simmering, we're going to add in our cornstarch. And so I substituted with tapioca flour because I'm not a big fan of cornstarch, but honestly, you can use either one that you like. So the tapioca flour or the cornstarch is going to thicken up the sauce. So we're just gonna give it a little stir and then leave it alone and let it magically thicken up. Now you can see that the sauce is getting nice and thick. When you move it around, it definitely doesn't feel as watery as it did before. Next thing we're gonna do is add our spinach, and we wanna just cook the spinach just till about wilted. I'm also gonna add the sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the reserved oil from the sun-dried tomato jar. Last thing we need to do is add a little salt and pepper to the sauce, and this should just be to taste. That is absolutely perfect. So now we're just gonna bring everything else back together, the scallops, the pasta, and the sauce. Now that everything is added back into the pan, it's looking really, really good. It smells amazing. Now all that's left is to plate it and give it a try. Here we go. That is absolutely outstanding. It tastes so good. Honestly, it tastes better than I am at cooking, which is an awesome thing for when your family and friends are over and you make this for them. So good. If you like this video and you want to see many more amazing recipes just like this one, hit like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.